Hi, welcome to our assembly video. Follow along to see how to build this fun fridge.
Begin with either part 2 or 3 and connect parts 5 and 4. Place the remaining side piece on top and then secure with screws. Carefully flip the unit over and secure the other side with screws. Attach part 1 to the top of the unit. Attach part 1 to the unit by securing the screws underneath part 1. Lay the unit down and begin inserting your backing piece. Use a screwdriver to attach with screws. Note, we do not recommend using an electric screwdriver. To provide extra support, attach parts N to the bottom of the unit with screws labeled O. Attach your handles to your doors with screws labeled F. Attach your doors to the hinges on the unit with screws labeled E. And this completes the assembly of your refrigerator.